Parti Bharatiya Janata Party BJP mynta sngi khandai tarik Nohprah 8,000 pholai kila ther tyngeh seng Congress bat khamtam Dhiraj Sahu ubadai UMP ka rajya Sabha seng Congress na Jharkand hadien ka Department Income Tax mynha sngi hinyo tarik Nohprah 8,000 pholai kila yo ban Kurup Kumba crore tyngka na Iing sa jong Haba kren kila pathai khubor Bah Mariahom Kharkrang ubalong nongai ktien ka BJP Meghalaya uloong baka jingioh Kurup pisa na Iing UMP ka Congress kadai ka balabon bat ka parti BJP kanyeng persya kambam sap
Pynrem ka Congress Pynrem ka Congress seng 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 Congress Pynrem ka Congress Pynrem ka Congress seng Congress seng Congress seng Congress seng Congress corruption Congress corruption Congress corruption corruption C for Congress C for 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 corruption Congress down Congress down
man kapal lagi yo ki evidence babyang te kamut ki different agencies ki badan jong ka sarkar kami kin tri la ka kam ki jong ki bat kin lap hi ki ne kim num na hi ben buri namar lara de ka pisa ka ba chu tu tamut pin habbu hi ka pisa pin la man bu ba bang te pin buri ka no pin lap wi ka si pin lap hi te ka jingle jong ka ni ka jong ka sarkar kami halor ka ni ka riet ru pen paus ke pathai ba katno ki politician ki jong ki wiwi party khamtam Congress ki la pen jot pat pen duk ye kani ka ri ki jongi but ka wi rungala ban at ne ba dang ya kini sngi ka don ka ka kanja assessment ye ki leader jong ki ri ba pher but ngam tip ha pilatim ne ba prime minister jong Modi wan benungkong ka jing bit menteri kam bat banilam ikari jungi bat ka jing tri stom hijungu ngam artatin ba ka wi sing in la ban pendu ya kani ka corruption bala bam krun ya kani kari jungi jing bam sap jong ka seng Congress ka ba try pila ilut ba hadu mentaru ki padla ban nyoi ka pisa ki biki yo na ka rate biki kandak ha ka Iing bat ki officers jong UMP jong ka Jharkand Dhiraj Sahu but kini tang ka bunsong no tang kabarit do mar balik tang bun chu kiwi te hadu mentaru tang menyoy ta kapisa ko apoy di spa live spa Klur te perkhat ya kani kari kapisa jong no ada kam de kapisa jong pai ba ten ta ta daw ni wan hang ni ta jing sokhya ba ban condemn ya kani ka kam bam sap hadu kan ni ya kani ka seng Congress kababitip ba kalong synonymous leni kaya jan ke tungku ba bat ka corruption ka Congress ber corruption kalong haju publishment.
Season's greetings to all our patients. In order to celebrate the Christmas spirit, Mia Eye Clinic will be having a pre-Christmas sale on all frames with flat 40% off on 16 December 2023. Also, a free eye checkup from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. will be conducted on the same day. Join us to help you see the world better. For information and registration, call 825-700-3176.